Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions to transfer your number on your Mint mobile port out. So step 1, you need to firstly collect your port out information. Do not cancel your Mint mobile service yet. It must remain active during the transfer. You can find your account number and generate your PIN through the Mint mobile app or customer service. You can do it via SMS. Text PIN to 670 from your Mint mobile device. You will receive a text message containing your temporary 6-digit port out PIN. It is valid for 24 hours, or you can get it via the app chat. Open the app, go to the support tab and type account number into the Foxboard chat window. Follow the prompts to connect with an agent. Pass identity verification and collect your 12-digit account number. Or also you can get via your phone. Call Mint Mobile customer support at 1-800-683-7392 to request your port out details directly from an agent. Step 2, confirm your billing zip code. Locate the billing zip code tied to your Mint mobile account. You can verify this by checking your profile settings inside the Mint mobile app or web portal. Step 3, provide details to your new carrier. Contact your new wireless provider or use their activation app to initiate the transfer. Give them the exact information you gathered: your 10-digit phone number, your 12-digit mobile Mint account number, also your 6-digit temporary port out PIN, and then your Mint mobile billing zip code. Step 4, complete and verify the transfer. Keep your Mint SIM inside your phone until your phone loses service or you receive a text confirming the transfer. Wait for completion. Mobile transfers typically take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours to complete. Test your new service. Pop in your new carrier's physical SIM or download their eSIM to verify that text messages, data, or voice calls functions correctly. Your Mint mobile account will close automatically once the port completes. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.